Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and of course Amazon is having Prime Day on July 12th, but we'll make it even bigger than that. This video is about being careful not to fall for any Amazon and any other company scams that can actually show up. More and more companies are getting are having scams happen on their names, but they're not the ones there. It's, hackers and it's bad guys out there trying to actually steal your accounts or steal money or get a lot of personal information about you. One of them is something that shows up like this, which tells you, oh, you got a $50 bonus, and quickly click on the review and print reward, and it's going to bring you to what looks like an Amazon page, but it's a fake Amazon page actually. It's going to ask you for all sorts of personal details about your account and passwords and so on, which gives them access to buying stuff on your account. Be very careful. These things do not happen. There is no, through email, you won't have any offers and stuff like that. You're going to have the offers directly in the account. Never click on any of these scams. Others that I've seen recently show up again, and this one's an old one, a $500 gift card or a $50 gift card, a $100 gift card from Walmart, or all of these are scams. Never answer, never, go to the websites. When you click, of course, it does look like the real website, but often there's a little detail. You'll notice that when you go on a website, there's a URL at the top of the screen, and that URL is, in the case of Walmart, would be walmart.com, for example, and amazon.com, and so on. But you'll notice that when you click on these links of these fake rewards and fake, all these scams, you don't go to that page. You go to a page that has a weird URL on the top, and that, even though it looks like the same page, it's actually an imitation. So I would like to just, make sure that you guys stay safe, educate everybody around you. A lot of people, especially, I've noticed that especially some elderly, people not used to using computers that much, that might actually do a little bit of online shopping, are the ones that will probably fall for this the most. But anybody can actually fall for this at some point. There are some that are so well made that, even people that know it all can maybe have a little moment of hesitation. So educate. It's the best way to make sure people don't fall for these scams. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.